Hi! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of natural ingredients for a healthier lifestyle. In today's video, we are thrilled to delve into the exceptional health benefits of Kangkong, commonly known as water spinach. Discover how incorporating this vibrant leafy green into your daily diet can remarkably enhance your well-being. Without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening journey. Let's begin by unraveling the nutritional richness of Kangkong. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, Kangkong is a true powerhouse of nourishment. We'll explore its abundance of vitamins A, C, and K, iron, calcium, and dietary fiber, and how these nutrients contribute to your overall health. Immunity booster extraordinaire. In this segment, we'll uncover the remarkable impact of Kangkong on your immune system. Through its high vitamin C content, Kangkong empowers your body's defense mechanisms to ward off illnesses, strengthen immunity, and combat harmful free radicals. Discover the key role Kangkong plays in fortifying your body's natural shield. Digestive wellness advocate. Kangkong's role in promoting optimal digestive health. With its exceptional fiber content, Kangkong aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and supporting regular bowel movements. Learn how this leafy green can contribute to improved digestion and enhanced gut health. Bone strengthening. Strong and resilient bones are crucial for a healthy lifestyle. In this segment, we'll unveil how Kangkong contributes to bone health. With its rich calcium content and other essential minerals, Kangkong plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong bones. Discover how incorporating Kangkong into your daily routine can improve bone density and reduce the risk of bone-related issues. Weight management ally. Are you on a journey towards weight management? Kangkong can be your trusted ally. With its low-calorie and low-fat nature, Kangkong offers a satisfying and nutritious addition to your meals. Moreover, its fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, curbing unnecessary cravings and aiding in weight control. Unlock the potential of Kangkong for your weight management goals. Vision Guardian. In this captivating segment, we uncover Kangkong's positive influence on eye health. Bursting with vitamin A, Kangkong supports optimal vision and eye function. Learn how the nutrients found in Kangkong can protect against age-related macular degeneration and maintain healthy eyesight. Culinary delights and serving suggestion. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of Kangkong, let's dive into creative culinary ideas and serving suggestions. Discover exciting ways to incorporate Kangkong into your meals, including stir-fries, salads, smoothies, and more. Get ready to embrace the flavors and nourishment of Kangkong in delightful and enticing recipes. We've reached the end of our captivating journey through the marvelous health benefits of Kangkong. From fortifying your immune system, to promoting digestive wellness, enhancing bone strength, aiding in weight management, supporting eye health, and tantalizing your taste buds, Kangkong offers a multitude of benefits. So, seize the opportunity to transform your well-being by introducing this vibrant leafy green into your daily diet. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you on our next video.